आप देख रहे हैं वीओपी न्यूज, जनता को रखे सबसे आगे।
Companies, for example, we have companies from all the domains, including ICICI Bank, Parle, in FMCG, Bosch, then Amul, Reliance, Tata Info, and then CNN, IBM, Outlook, Zigbee.
Policy as per Government of India, all of you are aware of that 15% reservation is for scheduled caste, 7.5% for scheduled tribe, 27% for non-creamy layer of OBC, 10% for EWS, and 5% for EWD. So this test will be conducted, and this test will be similar to any other test, so there is not much of a difference. And criteria already I talked about you, that okay, what are the criteria we are going to follow. And in case you have any question about this, you can ask. There will be 3 sections in the test: quantitative, reasoning, and comprehension. So each section is very much important for students to write. And merit list will be prepared, as I mentioned you, that 60% weightage is given to GIPMAT, 15% weightage is given to class 10 marks, 15% marks is given to weightage is given to class 12 marks, and 10% for gender diversity. So that any student who is joining, he knows this thing, that he is coming to this program, and we are giving due consideration of class 10th and class 12th result also, so that there is a consistency. And after 3 years, they can be promoted to next level, subject to that if they secure minimum CGPA required to be promoted to join MBA program. And there will be no difference between our MBA through CAT or joining this in the 4th year. It will be same, class will be same, whether they are coming from this GIPMAT or whether they are coming from CAT. So it will remain same. So if you have any questions, probably you can ask me, that so that I can answer to your questions.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Rajat. Yeah, please introduce yourself.
I'm Rajat Vora. I'm a special correspondent at the News Now. It's a regional newspaper, English newspaper, and a regional portal as well.
Yes.
Apart from that, I'm also working for Doordarshan as a streamer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, I have a query to ask whether there is any reservation for Jammu and Kashmir students or not, whether they can...
No, there is no reservation for Jammu and Kashmir people. The rule of reservation is as per Government of India rules. So whatever Government of India rules is there, the way we are giving reservation in our MBA program, same rule is applicable for IPM also.
You are planning to conduct any vocational courses or some media-oriented courses, so that media persons who want to study management courses or to go for career enhancement programs. So any scope of...
Sir, yeah, we can think of organizing. Yes, GIPMAT is basically, this program is meant for class 12 students who are writing or who has already passed, fine. But the thing is that so far as media person is concerned, definitely any graduate in mass media or any such qualification. If you want to...
Now I am Ahmedabad, so they do conduct such programs, I guess.
Okay, we are going to meet with you again, because we are going to very soon launch this 2-year executive MBA program in blended mode.
Okay.
In blended mode, wherein you will be visiting to Jammu or Kashmir, because we have set up our campus in Kashmir also, so in Srinagar also. So 6 times or 7 times you have to come for a week in 2 years time to complete the course, and that will be a formal degree. It is executive MBA program, and after that if you want to pursue your PhD program or anything, so you can do that thing. So that program, executive MBA, blended executive MBA, predominantly meant for all those people who are working in industry. So for that we will be meeting separately. We are going to launch that program this year only. So maybe 2 weeks from now we will be meeting again, and or bring all your media friends who wants to have career advancement.
Sir, I have a small query. In fact, as you said, that you have started a campus there in Kashmir Valley also. What is the kind of a response you are getting? Are students little bit hesitant because of the situation there? Parents hesitant?
No, you see, the thing is that we have started our transit campus in Srinagar, and we will have off-campus, that is what we call is off-campus of IIM Jammu in Srinagar. We will have a permanent campus also, off-campus of IIM Jammu in Srinagar. Government has already given a land, and this is going to be in proper Srinagar. There, what we are going to do is that executive MBA program, which will be done in blended mode. Besides, we have opened 2 incubation and innovation center, innovation and entrepreneurship center. One in Srinagar and other in Jammu. And all youth of Jammu and Kashmir can join, whether whosoever wants to be an entrepreneur. So they can join either in Srinagar or in Jammu. Besides, we also plan to have executive development programs, what we call MDP, Management Development Programs, in Srinagar and in Jammu both. But the Srinagar campus as on date is focusing more on innovation, more on entrepreneurship, more on executive development program and executive MBA program. So like say this, yes. So it is not region based. That okay, because all of you know this thing that when question comes of IIM, so students are from all over the country.
That's what happens when it comes to Kashmir Valley. Often we have seen that because of the situation there, the people have been hesitant sending their kids to that Kashmir Valley.